Bonjour, monsieur et madame, je suis who is bid et aujourd'hui, je suis curieux de connaître l'activité Internet en France. Je ne parle pas parfaitement le français, mais je fais de mon mieux. J'en avais fait à l'école, mais j'ai tout oublié. Ouh là là, c'est très difficile, monsieur. C'est très difficile. The problem is, I am not living in France, and I have no idea. Yes, the problem is that we need someone who is French, lives in France, who understands the way that the French think, who knows their customs well enough to create websites that will appeal to French people, because everyone knows that French, they're a bit different from everyone else, and they're allowed to be because they have a great history. I mean, I think about Napoleon and those songs like Allons enfants de la patrie, something like that. Well, if you have anything to say, please come to the Who Is Bid website and leave a link to your French website SEO translation services. Thank you very much. Au revoir.